and welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Isn't time flying? Right, so the footage before you saw me, I went into the range and had a quick look round. I was basically looking for towels for our new bathroom. So yeah, so that's what that was, but I did that this morning. I've made my tea and it's 3 gingers this morning. And it's very gingery. So that's lovely. So yes, so the Crochet Society Advent Calendar, so far I've finished this late last night, so I've now used all that I was meant to do with the pink, as you can see. So finished it off. I think I said last night that I just had a double crochet to do along the top, and I had. So oh, this is the right side. Do you want to look at the right side? So yes, it's looking very pretty. It's got all my stitch markers in, which they said to put in, ready for the next bit. But there's 7 snowflakes. So as you can see, it's looking quite big. So let's open the next drawer and see what we're meant to be doing. Right, so day 6 is here. Let's look. Wow, oh, this is a nice pink. It's quite a baby pink, isn't it? So that, I presume, will be going on there somewhere. I don't know which way, but we'll have a look in a minute. So what's this called? This is strawberry milkshake. Well, yes, I do like a strawberry milkshake as well. So there we are. Oh, and we've got something else in here. What could this be? Ooh, a little surprise. Oh, lovely. Perfect. You can never have too many of these. The little clips. So, yes. So perfect. So there's a load of little clips. In pink. Not quite sure what you'd use for crochet. I suppose you might use it to stretch it out or something, but very handy for sewing anyway. So yes, I'm pleased with those. That's good. Right, let's go over to the YouTube channel and see what we're meant to be doing next.
Day 6 of the Crochet Society Advent Calendar Crochet Along. Pattern, link down below if you haven't picked that up yet. It's 171 stitches across.
Right, so as you can see, it's looking good, isn't it? I don't know if I got a clearer picture of what it's meant to look like. So if you can see that. So this is what I've got to do next. So this bit here. So all that pink. So I'll be doing that this afternoon. But yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? And I don't know what we're going to do with the rest of it, because I think this is coming up to maybe the edge of the blanket. So there must be something that you do the other side. So yes, that's interesting. Yeah, so I'll get back to you once I've got that done. Right, I'm back. It's 5:30 in the afternoon, so early evening, and I've finished. So where's the front? There we are. So yeah, lovely pattern. As you can see, we've got a bobble, and there was quite a few front posts and back posts, treble back posts from treble front post stitches, but it's lovely, nice and easy. So yeah, I'm loving that. It's really looking good. So I just thought I'd let you see what I've done so far, and then that's ready to carry on tomorrow when we open the next drawer. So yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow for what's next. Bye for now.